If you need to resize a photo in Photopea, whether it's for social media, a website, or print, this tutorial is going to make it very easy. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the fastest way to change the size of the entire image without stretching it or ruining the quality more than necessary. If this helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your image in Photopea. You can drag and drop the photo into the editor or use the File menu and open it from your computer. Once your image is loaded, take a look at the top menu bar. This is where most of the important editing tools are located. To resize the entire photo or document, go up to Image, then click Image Size. This is the setting you want when you need to change the overall dimensions of the full picture, not just crop it or resize one part of it. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also use CMD plus Option plus I on a Mac or Ctrl plus Alt plus I on Windows. That will open the same image size window much faster. Now you'll see fields for width and height. This is where you enter the new size you want for your image. For example, if you're shrinking a large photo for Instagram, Facebook, or a website, you can type in smaller dimensions here. If you're preparing the image for print, you may want to choose a larger or more specific size depending on the final use. One of the most important settings in this window is the chain link icon between width and height. Make sure that stays checked. That little link tells Photopea to preserve the original aspect ratio of your image. In other words, it keeps the photo proportional so it does not get stretched, squished, or distorted. If you unlock it, the image can become warped, so for most resizing jobs, keeping it linked is the safest choice. Next, if you need to adjust resolution, look for the DPI setting. DPI stands for dots per inch, and it matters depending on where your image will be used. A common setting for screen and web images is 72 DPI. If you're resizing a photo for print, 300 DPI is usually the better option because it gives you a sharper result on paper. So if you're just posting online, 72 DPI is usually fine. But if you're making something like a flyer, poster, or printable image, go with 300 DPI to keep it looking professional. Always think about where the image is going to be used before you finalize these settings. Once your width, height, and DPI are set correctly, take one last look to make sure everything looks right. Then click OK. Photopea will apply the new size to the entire document and your photo will update immediately. That's really all there is to it. By using image size instead of guessing or dragging edges manually, you get more control over the final result and avoid messy stretching. This is the easiest way to resize a photo in Photopea when you want to change the whole image at once. If this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.